Well, fam, it happened.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
One of the things I never thought the G would go through, it actually happened. As you guys saw in the clips earlier, I got into a car accident on the G35. Now, it happened, and what's crazy, we're in the same place, the same exact place where I got rear-ended. It literally happened in the same way. We were both yelling. Now this time I was behind the vehicle instead of being in front of it. Now thankfully we're both okay. We were both healthy. Nothing happened to us. You know, that's the first thing. But our G35 definitely took a big hit. Not pretty. I'm not proud. Putting all that negativity down to the side, the G35 is gonna become stronger than ever. This might be a minor step back for something even greater. And we'll get the G35 fixed. It looks like the rack, the steering rack, I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's unfortunately, we're not able to tow the car tonight. I called multiple places. They're not able to bring someone out, honestly, until the morning. So the best option, I already have a towing company. I'm gonna call in the morning and take it straight to my mechanic so they can diagnose the G, make sure everything is good, make sure there's no internal damage or nothing, which I don't think so. Honestly, I just think it's the steering rack, and get that done. We need a new front bumper, which we got. We'll place it. We need some new headlights, which we got, so we'll put them on. And then best thing is that the carbon fiber hood didn't have a single scratch. That's how strong carbon fiber is. All jokes aside, I was so thankful it was okay. But besides that, you know, making sure I was okay, the girl was okay. Accidents happen, just be careful, be aware, and always double check before you do anything. So just be careful out there, don't get down, life continues, life moves on, and you just gotta keep moving forward. What's up, boys? Today's part 2 of the video. Is the next day, the next morning for sure. We're actually on the way to the parking lot where the G35 is at. The towing truck just got there, so we're gonna go ahead, give them the keys, help them move the car, and tow it to my mechanic. So we're here, boys. Let's go ahead and get the G35 towed. Sheesh. But while they prep the G35, hook it up, tie it all really good so we can tow it, I'll see you guys at the shop. So we made it to Auto Experts right here in Aquas. Shout out to the boys. The car is over there. We're gonna go ahead and get it unloaded and bring it back down. That way we can get the G35 into the shop, see what the doctor says. Whatever the doctor says is what the doctor needs to do. As you guys can see, the headlights busted, bumper, fender. We're gonna leave it right here parked until my boys can get to work on it. Well, we just left the keys to Hector. That's my mechanic. We're saying bye to the G for now. He's gonna get it up and take a look into the G35 here in the next probably like 30 minutes to an hour. So then meanwhile, we do have to go back home, do a couple other things. He's gonna give me a call, let me know what's actually wrong with the car. One thing is that we will get the G35 moving again. Later. Yo guys, so I actually just got off the phone, talked to one of the service advisors. He let me know everything in detail, what's wrong with the Jeep. It is a steering rack, it is a steering pin as well, and the car needs an alignment badly because the wheel is definitely like crooked. It's not drivable for sure. So with the whole package and everything, labor, parts, alignment, they gave me a price. Honestly, at this point, I just need my car back, and you know, it is what it is. It happens. We're gonna go through it, get it done. But besides that, I do have a lot of things in the background working with the G, a lot of content that I need to push and things that I need to do to the G35. If I'm able to get the G35 by tomorrow, which they promised they could if the part comes in, man, go ahead and do it. I'm gonna go ahead and pay that invoice tomorrow. Again, it's a whole package. They're great. They have always hooked it up. They have always come clutch. So I said, why not? Go ahead and do it. If anything, tomorrow we should be picking up the G35. We also do have the bumper, we have headlights, and I'm meeting up with someone that has a used fender. You know, hit the plug, Facebook Marketplace. Man, life hits you, you just gotta bounce back. That's all it is. So make sure you stay tuned and find out what happens to the G35 on the next episode of the KameGarage. Peace.